Alright guys, we're back here with this funny little game that we've been playing this morning where we have two cars. Each of us gets to use one, and the idea is that we start here with the front wheel on this line here, and we will crank it back, and in 1 second I'm going to show you what that looks like.
Oh, you got it, Dad. That's your first
Did I get it?
time.
Oh, that's awesome. So what we've been doing here is, can I have that other car real quick? Is we've been cranking it up and trying to be as scientific as possible. So we would start here, then crank it up, and use this little handle here, this black handle, as a reference. So sometimes we'd have it start here with the front wheel on this line, or we'd use the back wheel on it, and then based on that, figure out how much power is required for us to reach over there, where I will turn the camera in a minute so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's a little bit hard to see right now, so I'm going to turn the camera, because what we want to do is reach the other side over there where our little helper is showing you, and we want that car to reach exactly in the middle where there's that blue book over there. So again, let me start cranking it up so you guys get a good idea of what's going on. And there we go. And we want to reach as far as possible, so not the first set of books where it says, where they have the blue or purple books in the middle. Now what we've noticed is that we flipped this, this mat, and in the beginning there was more of a bump here, so as the car went over the bump and it jumped, and when it did that, it would lose power because it would lose traction, and then this would speed up the back wheels. We'd lose a lot of power. But now, actually, that this is a little bit less bumpy and very, very flat over here, we actually require less cranking motion here to go further than we did before in the previous experiment. So it's very interesting how all these little things are working together. So should we do a quick run to show them how this all works out?
We should.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm not used to going this way.
But also we need to remember that we want to be somewhere about like a hand away from the sides, otherwise the vehicle will tend to fall off and the whole experiment will be ruined, really.
Yeah.
Let me see, I can't really see your car. Alright, that should do it. At least I can see the front of it. Alright, ready to go?
Crank.
Go!
Not
Oops, not enough power.
enough.
Ooh, roughly the
We
same. Let's do
did
one more
exactly
round.
the same.
Let's do one more round. Let's see. So we're going to crank it out a little bit more and use that little handle as our reference point to give it just a bit more power. Ooh, that was too much.
So go a bit forward. And I went off the side.
See, because you were too close to the side there.
I know, it's a habit.
So let's go towards the middle and try it one more time. Ooh, just right, but it fell off the side. Let's see yours. Oh, yours was the best. Yours was the best so far. I'm gonna give it one more try.
Oh,
You go.
so close.
You're usually the best at this. Sometimes mine fails, and sometimes. Ooh,
Aw.
yours still was a little bit better because mine went. Anyway, you get the picture, guys. Thanks for watching.